Welcome back everyone. I am Deepak Unyal. In our previous tutorial we have discussed about function declaration and definition, and we have seen that a function declaration tells the compiler few things about it. One of this is name of a function or the type it is returning, the type of parameter it is expecting, or the number of parameters it is expecting, or the order in which parameter of those type are expected. So in our previous example we have seen that we have defined a function square which is expecting one parameter of integer type and is returning one parameter of type integer. In this tutorial we will be designing a program which will expect multiple parameter and will return one single parameter, single value. So I can design a program to calculate the area of a rectangle which will expect two parameter. One is length and another is breadth. So what I can do, I can pass a message to the user, enter length and breadth, and then I will, or what I can do, or maybe yes, length, breadth, or I can declare one more variable, area, which I should take integer for time being. I can design a function area of rectangle, and in this function we should pass length and there is some breadth. So when I am calling a function, we should have a prototype of this function. As this function is returning integer, so I would have a return type of integer, and I can write here the type it is expecting. So there are multiple parameters. I need to copy this whole thing here, and I should return length cross breadth because I am talking about the area of rectangle, and then I can output area of rectangle is, and this would be area. So I hope this program should run perfectly. We can see it again, area of rectangle, area of rectangle, this is integer, this is integer, there are two parameters of integer type, there are two parameters of integer type, and this is if we compare this definition with this thing, this whole program, we can see that the name of a function here in this case is let me copy it from here. So the name of function is area of rectangle. I am expecting two parameters, those are integer and integer. The number of parameter, there are two parameters I am expecting. The type of those parameters, integer, both are integer, so I will write int. Oh sorry, this in second point I should have only one int because return type of function is integer. No, it's not talking about type it is expecting to receive, but it's about the type it's returning, so which is integer here, and these two int are these two integers it is expecting to receive, and the order in which parameters of those type are expected. We need to discuss this point. So if I see I am telling the compiler that the first thing that first parameter will come will be length, and second parameter will be breadth, and will be stored in this variable. So this is length, this is breadth. So let's run this program once. Enter the length and breadth. So length is suppose 10, breadth is 20. So area of rectangle is 200. So how I can first understand that length is getting first variable and breadth is getting second parameter, I can print it out here in this way. That will be easier to understand. So now let us run this program again. Length and breadth, I am entering length 10, breadth 20, although, or maybe I can make it 2 because breadth is less than length, so it's 2. And I can see that length is getting parameter 10 and breadth is getting 2, although this program is not well formatted, but still, or I can make it more formatted so that it looks beautiful. Now I should run this program again. Length is 10 or length is 20, breadth is 10, so I can say length is 20, breadth is 10, and area of rectangle is 200. So this runs perfectly, and the way we have seen how the program is expecting different kind of parameters, or we can make these data types some different data type, like we can make it float or double, or we can make it to return some another value, but that depends on the way the problem we are solving. In further tutorial we will be looking at the this prototype and a few other things related to this prototype, but I think it's enough for this lecture. If you have any query or doubt, please put it in the comments, or you can mail me. I will try to revert back. Thank you so much.